So I suppose the first thing I really appreciate about Esperanto is the fact that it exists at all. I really had problems finding a summer program where I could learn fastly, and Esperanto offered the opportunity for me, which I'm really grateful for, because it's so important that we still carry on learning about Iran and the culture and the literature. And I found when I was here that the classes were really structured. The 4 hours a day covering the reading, writing, listening, and the talking. I think that, like, more than anything, my confidence speaking has improved, because it really makes a difference speaking every day and hearing the other people in your class speaking, because you can also get sort of words and phrases from them as well. So that's been really great. And I would say sort of the aspect of going on trips at the weekend I've also really enjoyed. I've really come to enjoy Armenia as well as a place, as well as the classes. And I'd say maybe the only disadvantage of the whole experience is that now I want to learn Armenian, and obviously I have to do Persian first. So.